The New Kingston Police are looking for several men who they believe can help them solve crimes committed in the New Kingston area. The men are said to live in the Shoemaker Gully along Trafalgar Road. The men are only known by their aliases.
Persons who goes by the name Batman, Udas, one who uses the name Marlene Malibu Fort. He uses that as his street name. It's not actually his name. Most of them uses female names. One who goes by the name Michelle. He is wanted for robbery with aggravation, wounding, and also 2 cases of larceny.
The New Kingston Police removed and processed 8 of the men from the gully in an operation this morning.
The aim of this operation was to remove men of diverse sexual orientation who continue to plague the New Kingston area. These men are said to be involved in several robberies carried out in the area. Also wanted for crimes such as larceny, mainly of smartphones, laptop computers, malicious destruction of property, where they have cut persons' clothing off of them, they have broken into persons' vehicle. These young men are creating havoc in the New Kingston area. Hence this operation this morning.